fighting it once in a way. They will now and again join into the fray, and they bark, 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 until you hear it over the park. Now, on the occasion of which I shall speak, almost nothing had happened for nearly a week, and that's a long time for a long repeat. The big police dog was away from his beat. I don't know the reason, but most people think he slipped into the Wellington Arms for a drink. And no one at all was about on the street when a peak and a Pollicles happened to meet. They did not advance or exactly retreat, but they glared at each other and scraped their hind feet and started to bark, 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 until you could hear them over the park, and then bark, 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 until you could hear them over the park. Now the people may say what they please. There's no British dog, but a heathen Chinese. And so when the people they heard the uproar, some came to the windows, some came to the door. There were surely a dozen more likely to score. And together they started to rumble and wheeze. Their hungry, snuffery, heathen Chinese were terrible bidders of power, like real power, long as your daughter should take. There was talk on every nation, the Irish, the Welsh, and the Dane, the Russian, the Dutch, the Dalmatian, and even from China and Spain. The poodle, the wobbly, the Alsatian, and the mastiff who walks on a train.
Into those that are frisky and prodigal, that's why meaning be perfectly plain.
That's why Pekes is little of Pollicles, and you better not do it again. And his crossroads cunts are snappers and biters, and every Joe Jack with no jewel fighters. So they subdued with their pipers in order, like when the blue bonnets come over the border. Some from the roof turned into the dimwit hall. Bark, 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 until you would hear them over the pump. Hoppery, snuffery, hoppery, snuffery, hoppery, snuffery, hoppery, snuffery, until you would hear them over the pump. Together assembled, the tribe all stopped near the ground to rain, and some of the neighbors were so much afraid they started to bring up the fire brigade, when suddenly out from a small basement flat, white who stalked out launched the Great Rumpus Cat. Eyes were like fireballs, fearfully blazing. He gave a great yawn, and his jaws were amazing. And when he looked out through the bars of the area, you never saw anything fiercer or hairier. And what with the glare of his eyes and his young, the peace and the Pollicles quickly took warning. He looked the sky and he gave a great leap, and every last one was scattered like sheep. And when the police saw returned to his feet, there wasn't a single one left on the street.